Hey, y'all, Liz here. All right, I got a question for you. What if, just go with me here. What if your clients don't leave because of price? What if there are a whole host of reasons that they leave? Sometimes they're bored. Sometimes they've just had the same thing forever and they hear about some cool thing that some other company is doing and they think, just going to try it. What if? What if they're feeling undervalued? What if? What if they saw specials that you're giving to brand new clients and they haven't gotten a special from you in a long time? What if there are a host of other reasons why your clients leave you and it's not just because of price? Well, in the client retention workshop that we're doing on September 26th and 27th in Houston, we are going to be talking about the psychology of loyalty and how to build retention systems that actually work. They keep your customers staying, they keep them with you, and they get them to come back as well. We'll be talking a little bit about bounce back rate. We all know that we have those clients that leave and then they bounce back. But do you know what your rate is? You should. That's an important number, isn't it? Let's talk together about how to retain more of your precious clients and make more money. Join us in Houston, September 26th and 27th. Show your clients they matter. Watch your business grow. See you soon. Bye, y'all.